One love, one people, yeah, man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of you. Me chant me hymn fi change. The whole world rearrange. Me see the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live me hope. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah me creed. Me heart strong like lion roar, RASTA forevermore. Yeah, root survival rise. See the fire now we eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. Me soul Jah keep. Root survival strong. Chant of Zion song. Me spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, me history clear. Me ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awaken proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more, we open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we all, roots revive arise. See the fire now we eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul Jah keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come. Sun ablaze me skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heart beat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant feel the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry but just still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light. Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand, Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow, Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea, the truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace, till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide, Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, I call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear, forever near. Jah love eternal flame, forever call Jah name. One north, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright, guided by Jah light. Ganja inna the jungle, yeah man. Me hear the drum from far away, call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high. Jah music never die. Me feel the bass in on me chest. Jah give me rest. Every strike a truth reveal. Rasta strength unseal. Me see the youth them start fi dance. In a trance of chance, every heart they join the song. Unity abound. Me remember the elder song. Say keep the fire strong. Me no bow to vanity. Only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul, make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak, Jah voice them see. Heartbeat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground, Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow, hear the ancient echo. Each beat a story told of courage bold. Me close my eyes, me feel Jah grace, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real, Jah power me feel. The crowd that sing the night ignite, pure delight. Every heart align, peace define. Drum beat carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, heartbeat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Root vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One song, one love, one ground, Jah rhythm all around. When silence fall again, me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fear, but still it Jah love always comes. Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, man. More love, more peace in the world, man. Sound the drum, the trumpet blow. Jah chain ready to go. All about me people rise. Freedom live behind the eyes. Me live the city just behind. Me seek the peace me find. The world full of noise and lie, but Zion truth never die. Me chant me song, me hold me ground. Jah melody profound. Each step me take is sacred call. No man can me soul stall. Me see the children wave them on. Bless the future of this land. Me hear the elder voice so wise. Tell me Rasta never compromise. Jah give the path for chart. Me move with faith in God. The journey long but pure. Love are the only cure. Zion train rolling through. Jah call me. Me coming to one heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Hey. Zion train rolling high. No tear left to cry. Every soul fi ride. Jah guide the tide. Me see the mountain greet the sky. Eagles spread them fly. Me feel the spirit in the breeze. Truth set my mind at ease. The system try to break me chain, but Jah wash the pain. Me lift the torch and share the flame in Jah holy name. Me trod with love, me trod with peace. Still hatred sees a haze. Every man and woman sing Jah kingdom we bring. No stop this train, me says Zion roll night and day. All who seek the light come treading a Jah sight. Zion train rolling through. Jah call me. Me coming to one heart, one faith, one sound. Freedom circle all around. Yeah. Zion train rolling high. No tear left to cry. Every soul for ride, a ride, a ride, a ride. The Jah guide the tide, a ride, a ride, a ride, a ride. When me reach the holy shore, me heart need cry no more. Zion train never done. Right into Jah sun.
Aye, ganja is Marcus medicine, your mom. Oh, go on. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed a promise grow. Valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and a river song. Valley keep them moving strong. Traveler weary, take a rest. Valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripen, flowers bloom. Valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile. Valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long. Valley sing the hopeful song. Oh, Babylon crumble on the hill. Valley stand by Jah will. Righteous gather, chant aloud. Valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above. Valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near. Valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, Valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor. Valley open on every door. Birds of Zion build a nest. Valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight. Valley glow with holy light. Oh, morning sun upon the plain, Valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky, Valley chant will never die. Generation pass along, Valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting, deep and wide, Valley hold Jah love inside. Grow, 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 seed of peace, Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true, Valley sing Jah song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide, lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone, Valley sing creation song. Forever living, bold and free, Valley hold eternity. I am reggae. Aye. Deep the ocean, wide and blue, carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace, ocean bring just sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong, ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide, ocean hold us side by side. Oh yeah. Fisherman upon the shore, hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife, ocean gift the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail, ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave, ocean bless the ones that sail. Why, yeah. Children play upon the sand, ocean hold them in a hand. Elder bow and say a prayer, ocean whisper love is near. Storm may come, wind may blow, ocean guide the ones who know. Flow eternal, deep and wide, ocean keep your truth inside. Why, yeah. From the sunrise to the night, ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song, ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure, ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together, ocean bond will last forever. Seashell echo, dolphin sing, ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore, ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end, ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free, ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea, bind the people, unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong, ocean sing Jah holy song. Ocean of unity, deep and true, purity, forever flowing, pure delight, ocean shine with holy light. Ay, 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 sound of Zion. Ganja blaze, yeah, man. Me step out of me yard, the lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me nah walk alone, me trod with Jah light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see youth with no hope, no plan. But me say, hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the storm in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Me nah dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me nah throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston Street to Berlin Yard, one rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in the air. Lion road deep, no time for fear. Me dip on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system roll, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that's a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me not need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line, and blaze the herb fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes bring the people insight. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near. Big spiff with coconut, your man. We step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. We feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. We carry no phone, we carry no chain, just a spliff, a drum, and a mind so plain. We walk through mist and mango trees. We chant ancient words, carried by breeze. Me nah in a rush, me in a flow. We reason with river and let wisdom grow. We meet an elder by a roots man gate. Him say youth take time, don't move
and Jah. A coconut, a fire, and the Itala. We reflect on life, how Babylon rush, how them chase vanity and forget lush. But me know say simplicity a key to unlock joy and truly be free. We climb to the top of the sacred hill with chalice light and a silent will. Me look down and see the world a spin. Me give thanks that me live from within. Herbs grow wild and the rhythm plays slow. Drum echo in a valley, let the healing flow. We inhale truth, then exhale fear. Rastafari speak, me ears them clear. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. We rise when sun a kiss the leaves. We greet me day with thankful griefs. Me no pain, me no joy, me no test. But Rasta teach me how to rest. No need for war, we need harmony.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal Jah shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt his name. No more sorrow, no more chain. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high. See deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land. Sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake. Sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow fade away. Sky announce the brighter day. Birds of Zion soaring free. Sky of love for you and me. Every color, bold and wide. Sky of truth, them never hide. Trumpet sound, a mighty tone. Sky remind we not alone. Lift your eye, behold the sign. Sky of Zion, always shine. Storm may come with thunder loud. Still the sky, protect the crowd. Lightning strike the wicked down. Sky uplift Jah, holy crown. Rain may fall, yet seed will grow. Sky provide and overflow. Every season, time and tide. Sky of freedom, never hide. At the sunset, gold and red. Sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep. Sky of Zion, never sleep. Generations one by one. Sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear. Sky of freedom, always near. Shine, shine, sky so high. Lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true. Sky of Zion, guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright. Shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall. Sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free. Sky of Zion, cover me. Aye, aye. Shia reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Shia reggae, yeah, man.
Nah, 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 ganja. And Zion, yeah, man. Hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding hand from long before, flame still burning nevermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone eternal sign. Blood and sweat yet spirit strong, flame a guide the whole along. No oppression hold it down, flame of truth a shining crown. Generation pass it on, flame of ancestors never gone. When the storm a try to rise, flame still dancing in the eyes. Babylon a spread them lies, flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside, flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil, flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall, still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call, flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat, flame of past and future meet. Torch of love eternal guide, flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing bold and pure, flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire, lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong, flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high, like the people never die. Forever glowing bold and free, flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core, flame of ancestor, evermore.
Nah Nah Rastaman, grind the ganja, yeah man. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beat in Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit floats. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree. Sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love's solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we hold firm. Like the lion we raw with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah, now bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fall.
Zion reggae with ganja, yeah man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in style, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green. Sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life. Stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land. In ganja smoke and jaja and me burn a split fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground. Roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew. Learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke grow like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time, on the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow
slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me bond the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb but art, you know. The land that teach a herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Rasta way a man. We have Zion pure and bright. Guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never fall. Zion, way for all. No Babylon can block the road. Zion, way heavy load. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion, way carry you. Zion, way clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion, way exalt his name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Zion way all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion way shining strong. He bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan. Forever glowing wide and free. Zion way destiny. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion way never done. It lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way Jah truth. Forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way Jah light. It hold the spirit, hold the soul. Zion way make we whole. It shine eternal, never fade. Zion way Jah made. No Babylon can hide this sign. Zion way divine. Forever blazing pure and long. Zion way Jah song. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion way Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion way still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion way bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion way show Jah way. Eternal walking firm and strong. Zion way Jah song. Walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me. No chain, no wall can block the road. Zion way, every load. Zion Zion Raga Rasta man. Yeah man, yeah. Brother. Shining gold, story of the truth it told. It blessed the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown here fi stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessing given for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown just spread. Forever shining, never fall. Zion crown for all. It guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown by Jah hand. Forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown destiny. Me see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown never done. It shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown Jarat. Forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown Jah light. It bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown make we whole. It shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown Jah make. No Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown always show. Forever blazing, pure and long. Zion crown Jah song. It crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown Jah way. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion crown bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion crown show Jah way. Eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown bless all. Shine high, shine true. Zion crown for me and you. No chain, no curse can pull it down. Jah people wear the crown. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessing given for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion crown still carry on. Na 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 Zion, brother is so high among. Flame of Zion burns so bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never low. Zion flame forever glow. No Babylon can quench the fire. Zion flame lift we higher. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion flame carry you. Zion flame strong and high, blazing glory in the sky. Every spark a holy name. Zion flame exalt Jah claim. It burn the wicked, cleanse the land. Zion flame by Jah hand. It Guard the humble, heal the meek. Zion flame all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion flame shining strong. It blaze the morning, blaze the night. Zion flame Jah light. Me see it blaze on Zion hill. Zion flame Jah will. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Zion flame fi all. Forever holy, strong and wide. Zion flame, holy tide. It guide the nation, guide the soul. Zion flame make we whole. Rise eternal, never fade. Zion flame Jah made. No Babylon can dim the glow. Zion flame always show. Forever shining, pure and free. Zion flame destiny. It burn the darkness, burn the wrong. Zion flame Jah song. When the trumpet sound again, Zion flame still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion flame bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion flame show Jah way. Eternal burning bright and long. Zion flame Jah song. Burn high, burn strong. Zion flame carry on. No chain, no storm can kill the fire. Zion flame lift higher. Zion flame strong and high. Blazing glory in the sky. Every spar a holy name. Zion flame exalt Jah claim. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion flame still carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Rasta Zion. Roll this spliff, yeah, man. Burning bright from deep within. Fire of Zion cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan can hide away. Fire of Jah reveal the way. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. It burn the liar, burn the hate. Fire keep the righteous straight. It glow in temple, glow in land. Light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field. Burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine. Fire of Jah is so divine. It warm the children in the cold. It blaze the story prophets told.
storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah, remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul of all. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. Fire of Jah forever bright. Burn high, burn free. Fire of Zion energy. No hate, no fear can quench the flame. Fire of Jah forever same. Fire of Zion